Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to export your video project in Adobe Premiere Pro. So, you've just finished editing your project, and you're ready to share it with the world. Let's get started. The first thing you want to do is navigate to the File menu at the top of the Adobe Premiere Pro interface. Scroll down and click on Export, and then select Media. If you're a fan of keyboard shortcuts, you can also use Ctrl+M if you're on a Windows PC or Command+M if you're on a Mac computer to quickly bring up the export menu. Now that we have our export menu open, you will want to make sure the format is set to H.264. This format will save your video file as an MP4, which is one of the most commonly used video formats. For the preset, choose Match Source Adaptive High Bitrate. This setting ensures that your video will be exported with the highest possible quality. Next, click on the blue file name next to Output Name. This will open an Explorer window where you can change the file name and select the destination where you want to save your video on your hard drive. To further improve your video's quality, head down to the Video section. Check the box for Render at maximum depth to enhance the depth of your video's colors. Also, make sure to check Use Maximum Render Quality to ensure the highest possible quality settings during the export process. Now that you've configured all the settings, you're ready to export your video. Simply scroll down to the bottom of the export window and click the Export button. Your Adobe Premiere Pro will start rendering your video according to the settings you've specified. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to export your video in Adobe Premiere Pro with the best quality settings. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more video editing tips and tricks. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions or suggestions for future tutorials, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Have a great day, and happy editing. See you in the next video.